This is my 61 and it's now over 30 years old and has almost 500,000 Ks on the clock. There's some rust and a bit of wear and tear. Previous owner has done this paint job. Engine starts and runs perfect, front brakes and master cylinder are just done, new bearings in rear diff and axles, some welding has been done on the chassis, especially rear. Front leaves and shocks are 3 years old with 2-inch lift. Diesel lines were changed from the inside of the tank to the pump 4 years ago. First I gotta take all the bits and pieces out of the truck, take off floor mat, seat, belt and everything that's on the way or that can get damaged during the project. Gearbox and transfer works okay, but there are some minor sounds at times, especially after a long drive when tranny oil gets hot and thin. I'm gonna do a gearbox and a transfer rebuild and some mods just to make sure they are strong and reliable. Clutch will also be changed to a new heavy duty one and flywheel gets machined. I'm gonna make a new oil pan because the old one's beaten up, fixed many times and not strong and reliable. Some body and chassis work will also be done. It's good to clean up all the dirt and dust before going any further. Gear transfer and winch sticks gotta be removed before dropping the gearbox. I'm draining the gearbox, transfer and power takeoff before taking them out. It's easier to do now than on the floor or table. Before dropping down the gearbox, I gotta remove front, rear and winch prop shafts, 2 vacuum lines, a few wiring connectors, tach sensor, gearbox crossmember, speedo wire, starter, clutch slave cylinder and bell housing bolts and nuts and whatnot. And finally the gearbox has landed. It weighs like a medium-sized person. Luckily I got some help. Next time you'll see what's inside.